Guys, this is Anna with Passions of Paper. Today I have a much smaller journal to show off. This is a 3-signature journal, but the signatures are not like super chunky. They're more thinner and just more contemporary, I guess. That is kind of the theme of this journal, more rustic but contemporary. And it's just really pretty, naturey journal. Here we have a little flower button and these beads on this elastic button closure, and that is in my signatures so that when you undo it, it will not come off or fall off. It'll just be attached and with you everywhere you go. We've got this fluffy tassel with these bead strands in here, and just lots of different fluffy soft fibers in there of earthy colors. Here we've got this little journal tag or title, and then I put that on top of some loose threads and some nature mulberry paper, and it's all on top of this window here, this like old barn window, and then that is sewn all the way around. Inside here I did a little bit of a different style with these pockets. I did them sideways, and in this pocket here we've got some journaling cards, and they're all going to be backed like that, so I won't show off all the backs. Let me get you a little closer. Oh, I forgot to mention, okay, so this journal is 9 inches tall by 5 3/4 inches wide, and it has a 1.25 inch spine. And there are 152 pages in this journal. And I did a lot of cute little decorations all throughout, but it is still a writer's journal, as always. Here's a cute little envelope and just a little gray card in there that you can write on. I did my little sticky glue on this so it sticks shut, but it does not destroy anything. This is coffee dyed paper, and then all these digitals were printed on the highest quality, full borderless prints on 28-pound premium color copy paper. We've got some leaves sewn on here. Cute little tag here with this fiber on it. The kit that I used for this journal will have the link in the description box below. Did some stenciling. We've got some of these die cuts here. Another tag with some fibers on it. A little flip out for some secret journaling space. More of that earthy mulberry paper. Love this stuff. Some ribbon on here. This is extra long eyelash yarn. I love that sticking out on the edges. Some leaves. I've got a little bulldog clip here with some trim on that, and that's just holding on this journaling card. These little things that are going to be throughout the journal are something that my sister made me. She did these drawings herself with like some watered down paint so you can feel them, and then she fussy cut them out and gave me like a whole bag of them, and they were perfect for this journal. So I did use some of those throughout this journal. They're just so pretty. Did some stamping. We've got this grunged up bag here with the journaling card inside. And it's got some stenciling on it. the other side of that bag. Got some grunged up journaling cards in this envelope. And then I actually left this as a pocket that you can put your own ephemera into if you'd like. Another flip out for secret journaling space. Here we've got a rusted paper clip with this little journaling card on it, and it's got this fiber on it. Some more ribbon, leaves. Did an ivy leaf for the tab on that picture, on that journaling card. Came out real pretty. And then on the back here we have another one of those side pockets. Just waiting to have some stuff thrown in. So that is the end of that. A short, sweet video, not as long as my usual videos, but just a little something different. I hope you guys liked that. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.